In C++, the first exercise is the array implementation of list in abstract data type using array. Here, our objective is a list. A list is a set of order or unordered element. For each element in the list, there is a previous element in the producer, and the element that follow one by one, that is called successor. So the size of the list in n element. So the first element has no producer and last element has no producer. So whatever we have to give in the size and which can be stored in the array. So our main aim is we have to input the value into the array based on the given size. So our algorithm is by using a single dimension array, we have to allocate the memory space, and by using stack implementation, we have to insert the value one by one by using push operation and store into the array. So the in C++, first we declare whatever we need the variable used in the program. So we have to declare in part of top of the main function, and then input statement had be proceed for getting the value one by one. Then further processes happen. So here from the program, from the main function, we have to declare for each and every time we need to get a value one by one for by using for loop. So use the I variable, and a is an assigning value into the array, and top equal to -1. -1 is the initial value we have to initialize at the top of the stack. Then another three variables needed for using this program. One is C. C is a C, C and CH and be used for switch statement, and N is used for N number of size to be declared. So in do while statement, we have to display the stack of the value one by one. So we have to print the menu, push, pop, and display and exit. And using switch statement, in case one, we have by using for loop to check whether the stack is full or not. Otherwise, the numbers will be inserted from the top of the stack by using a of top equal to a of I. So by from the for loop from 0 to n value one by one, the value can be whatever the user enter into the value can be stored in the a of top. Then in case 2, if the top equal to -1, the stack is empty, otherwise the pop element can be deleted. In case If the top equal to -1, then the the stack is empty can be displayed. Otherwise, one by one the value of the stacks can be displayed. Then from the do while loop, when the choice was determined less than 4, the condition will be repeated. When the condition is not satisfied, the loop will be exit, and the program will be terminated. This program can be compiled through online. The same program can be displayed in the compile and run the program. The menu push, pop, and display exit. The choice will be want to be entered. So first I want to if I want to pop the value, means I mentioned the value is 2, the stack is empty because we didn't input any value into the memory. So the statement is displayed as stack is empty. Then another one, if the choice is 1, they enter the size of the stack. So the size of the stack is 6. Then one by one, we have to enter the number of value 56, 58, 12, 45, and 90. Now the 6 values are entered into the memory. So this programs run this way to display the result by using the implementation of stack using array for related element to be inserted into the stack. Thank you.